5 things you need to test to scale your business. In today's video, we are going to dive into a topic that is crucial for scaling your business successfully. If you are a coach, consultant, trainer, service provider, or even someone selling luxury products, this video is for you. We'll be discussing the 5 key things you need to test in order to scale your business effectively using social media and YouTube paid advertising. So let's jump right in. 1. Testing targeting and audience. The first thing you need to test when scaling your business is your targeting and audience. It's essential to ensure that you're reaching the right people who are most likely to become high-ticket clients. Start by researching your target market and identifying their demographics, interests, and pain points. Then, use the targeting options available on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube to narrow down your audience and reach those who are most likely to convert. Continuously monitor the performance of your ads and make adjustments to your targeting to optimize results. 2. Testing ad creatives and messaging. The second aspect to test is your ad creatives and messaging. Your ads need to capture attention, convey value, and inspire action. Test different ad formats, such as video ads, carousel ads, or image ads, to see which resonates best with your audience. Experiment with different hooks, headlines, and calls to action to find what drives the highest engagement and conversions. Remember, the key is to grab your viewer attention within the first few seconds and clearly communicate the benefits of your high-ticket offer. 3. Testing landing pages and funnels. Once you've attracted your audience with compelling ads, it's time to test your landing pages and funnels. Your landing page should be designed to convert visitors into leads by offering something of value in exchange for their contact information. Test different layouts, headlines, and call to action buttons to optimize conversion rates. Additionally, consider implementing a high-ticket webinar funnel, where you provide valuable content and make a compelling offer to your qualified leads. Continuously analyze the performance of your landing pages and funnels to identify areas for improvement. 4. Testing ad placement and budget allocation. The fourth element to test is ad placement and budget allocation. Platforms like YouTube offer various ad placements, such as in-stream ads, video discovery ads, and bumper ads. Test different placements to determine which generates the best results for your business. Additionally, allocate your budget strategically across different campaigns and platforms to maximize your return on investment. Monitor the performance of each campaign and adjust your budget allocation accordingly. 5. Testing retargeting and follow-up strategies. Lastly, don't overlook the power of retargeting and follow-up strategies. People may not convert on their first interaction with your ads or landing pages, so it's crucial to have a system in place to re-engage them. Test retargeting ads to remind potential clients about your offer and bring them back into your funnel. Implement email marketing sequences, personalized follow-ups, and other nurturing tactics to build relationships and convert leads into high-paying clients. And there you have it, the 5 essential things you need to test in order to scale your business effectively. By continuously testing and optimizing these elements, you'll be on your way to attracting high-ticket clients and achieving your business goals. Remember, scaling takes time and patience, so keep analyzing your data and making informed decisions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Discover a unique 5-step system named COM5 method that I am using to sell high-ticket coaching, training, and services using the power of artificial intelligence, one simple funnel, and social media paid ads. Go to my website com5method.com and sign up to watch your free video training. You will find the link to the website com5method.com somewhere on this video and the description section right below. If you have liked this video, make sure to hit the like button. Smash the like button right now before you go. While you are here, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. If you do this, you will get notification when I release a new video on YouTube. On my YouTube channel, I am focusing in teaching you how to sell high-ticket, high-margin coaching, training, services, and luxury products. I will share with you my marketing tests that I am doing to attract paid and organic traffic and how I attract high-quality leads using YouTube and social media channels. Therefore, make sure to subscribe right now or you will miss all this valuable information and training. Comment and let me know one big idea that you have learned from this video. Also, let me know if you want me to create a video based on any questions you have relating to your business. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family on social media and other channels. This motivates me to create new valuable content on regular basis. Thanks for watching this video and wish you all the very best and success, and see you in my next video.